been having some issues because our computer or laptop, it's pretty old, so we need more, how do you say it?
Basically, we need more RAM. It's
Yes,
it's
more
a
RAM.
2012 MacBook Pro, so it's pretty old, but that computer was the last one that they did that you can actually upgrade it. So if you upgrade it properly, it can still be up to date with what we need to do.
Yeah. So basically the point of the vlog is to teach you how to put more RAM on your 2012 laptop if you have one, and to pretty much also encourage you to start your new vlog or anything that you've been wanting to start, even if you don't have the right tools, because you probably have all you need right in front of you, and they don't have to be 2019, they don't have to be super new for you to start something. You can just start with what you have, and that's how we've been editing with the old laptop. So now we just want to make our videos a little better, and we want to add more stuff to it, but we're not able to because it's pretty old, so it's not rendering correctly. So now we're gonna go and get some stuff so that we can potentially bring better videos to you guys.
Yeah, guys, so right now we're heading out. I was doing some research yesterday on what to get, how to upgrade. So we're gonna head out to Micro Center here in Long Island.
Yeah.
And see if we can find what we saw yesterday.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, guys.
Later.
Hey guys, so we just got here to the Micro Center store. We're checking out the RAMs. And yeah, so I mean, we did the research yesterday, so kind of like when I shop, I don't know about you guys, but I usually come in, have the SKU number and all of that already on hand, so that way they don't have to like go around and everything, so it makes the life easier.
Yeah, so it's a quick in and out.
Yeah, so it's a quick in and out, because I usually spend time, especially when something, you know, like about computers, that I know a lot about computers, so I do my research beforehand before going into the store. So we're just gonna go walk into the representatives here that work here, and we're just gonna tell them exactly what we need, and that's it. So yeah, we're here at the store, Micro Center. It's a pretty good store. Like, I just also found out yesterday, because I haven't been in the store for a long time, that they only had 2 in New York, and now they have like 4, I believe. So I did not know that. But yeah, I love coming to the store. So it's a nice experience. It's, you know, good.
Experience?
Yeah, it's an experience every time you come here. Like I remember before that there was your own PC section. It wasn't available before, and now they have like a whole section just to build your own PC.
Yeah, I don't know what to do here.
Yeah, Jen is not a very techie person, but yeah. Bye guys. So we'll see you guys later in the unboxing. What's going on, guys? So now we're inside the computer. We're gonna check and see how the computer with the RAM that it has now, how it looks before, and then we're gonna go back again after the RAM is installed and see how it renders. So this is one of the videos we're working on. Give you guys a little sneak preview. It's an Amsterdam video. Yeah, we went to Europe not too long ago. So we're gonna try to add here the essential graphics one that's one of the lower thirds. So let's try to just add it first and see what happens. Okay, so I added it pretty quickly. So now if we try to view it, okay, press play. So you guys see the stuttering. So the image itself, well, first I have to move it around. So let's do that first. So let's scale it up a bit. If you guys see, there's a big delay on the way it looks when I'm moving it up and down. So it's up, and then we're going to the right. But yeah, so it's a huge delay. And the computer, I don't know if you guys might not hear that the fan it's on, because it's already getting overheated. It's using over 50% of the capacity. Alright, so now you guys can see the lower third a bit better. Let me actually move a little bit more to the right. Okay, so there you go. So it's there. So let's try to press play again and see how the video, everything is stuttering. And this is at a quarter speed. So even if we can't go any lower than a quarter because of the RAM. So this is what we're trying to figure out, guys, because we want to bring better videos to you guys. So now we think if we upgrade it to the 16 RAM of memory, I'm sure that the video on the Premiere Pro and anything else, even rendering the video itself, is going to take way less time. So hopefully we can, you know, bring better content for you guys. Stay tuned. Okay, so now we have everything we need. So we're gonna upgrade the RAM of the MacBook Pro 2012, mid 2012. So here we have two 8 gigabyte sticks, one DDR3L 1600s, and then as you can see, there's 10 screws are all around the MacBook, and so you're gonna need a 00 Phillips, so which is this one here. So you just gotta go all the way around, and then we'll start unscrewing them. So if you guys see, there's 10 in total, but there's 4 that are 3 that are longer than the other ones. So just make sure you guys put them back in the right spot. All right. So the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure you take away the disconnected battery, which is over here. So this little prong tool. So usually you use a pry, but today we're going to use just a regular pry. After that's disconnected, this is the memory RAM are these things here. So you see these 2 pins, you put them to the side and you flip up, and just like that. And then you repeat the same process again for the second one until it snaps out. Make sure it's completely out. So now so these two were both 4 gigabytes each to make 8. Now we're going to install 2 8s to make 16. So the process to put them back is the same, just facing, you'll see the name facing the other way. You can connect the 2 pin and the pin with that, so it'll be this way for this one. So you're going to insert the one down until we click. So you just got to make sure that the pin aligns with the strip. So if it's, you can see here, this the strip, and it's on the other side, so that means you have it backward. Flip it over and then just align it, clip it, and then press down until you hear the clips. So there you go. And then after that, just make sure you connect the battery back. Okay, that's good to go. So now we're just going to put back our metal plate. 00 Phillips screw. And then just work your way around the back part. All right, guys. So we are here back on the Premiere Pro. So we have installed the 16 gigabytes of RAM. So just make sure, I noticed that if you don't install the RAM properly, to make sure it's inserted in properly. If it's not, then when you try to turn it back on, you'll get a beeping sound. So that's what that beep. If it's one beep, that's what it means that the RAM is not properly installed. Either that, or for a crazy case, it's a faulty RAM, but that's a once in a lifetime chance. So let's go back. We're back here in the Adobe Premiere. So we're gonna try to add another sensor graphic and see if that actually helped out a bit. So we're gonna do the same one, lower thirds. We're gonna add it, and then we have to move it most likely. So let's go back again. It's a little bit faster now, just by moving this compared to before. Okay, so now let's play back again. Yeah, so the video itself is still not 100%, but the graphic, you can still tell that it's way faster than it was before. Yeah, so the effect itself is way faster. So we still have to install an SSD in the computer, so that's going to be the next upgrade we're going to have to do to the MacBook Pro. But yeah, guys, so if you guys are thinking of getting MacBook Pro in 2012, it's worth it. Like we're in 2019 right now, and we're still editing videos. We have over almost 30 videos up on our channel, and it's been with this computer. So we've got two different grams. Each one was $44.99 for each. So we got 2, so it was like $90 and more with tax and all of that. So it's not a bad investment. So let's say you have a 2012 MacBook Pro, and it's very, like, this one I actually bought it like 3 years ago for like $450, was used on eBay. So you know, if you guys want to invest in a MacBook Pro like that, for this I've done plenty of things, not just editing. Like you can do the computer, it's fast. Like we got this RAM just because it wasn't fast enough for the editing purposes. But other than that, the computer it does everything. So yeah, guys. So make sure you guys like the video, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Link in the description down below of actual RAMs that we used. And yeah, guys. Till the next one.